following screencast will discuss and show you how to use your Google contact lists and also how to set up groups. The way you set up a group is once you are logged in, you go to Mail right here, and then you go to Contacts. The first thing I would do is create a new group. And once I create a new group, by clicking on it, I'm going to label this one Library Media Tech. Library Media Tech Integrators. And click on OK. Now I have one right here that's called Library Media Tech Integrators. And here I can actually choose who I want to add to that list, so that when I want to email them, I can email just that group. If you want to add people to that group, you click on Library Media Tech Integrator, whatever label you create for your group, and then you will search right here in this area for the people that you want to add to your group. Louise Weber, and I'm going to add Louise Weber right here. Once you click on her, you can go to Group, and then you can add her to the Library Media Tech Integrators. If I want to add another person, I can go right here and then look for Jill Folglaze, or just type in the first name. It's going to give you, you're going to search all the contacts, and it'll give you all of them. Since I know how to spell her name, should be able to find her, and she is right here, and I can add her to my group as well. And I keep adding people to my group that share common interests, or common planning period, or common job titles, and that's how you do it. So we search. I'm going to give you Chris Jameson right here. I'm going to add her to my Library Tech Integrators. And now I have added the people that are in my group. If I want to see who I have in there, all I have to do is click right here on Library Media Tech Integrators, and I will have my group showing right here. So, so this is how you add people to a group that you created. You can create as many groups as you want. Now, one way also of organizing this is that you can have the most contacted right here, and you can add the most contacted. It will show you as well the most contacted. So the way it works is by creating either a group, or you're going to be able to locate the most contacted right here. You can have another one for other contacts that don't belong in the same group. For example, my contacts are all related to the franklinpublicschools.org. This one is another contact that I have that's not from outside the district. So you can have that as well in there. To see the directory of all people, including students, you click on Directory, and you can search for them by first, last name, and anybody that I wanted to type in there. If I want to look for Mrs. Berry, type in Berry, and it's going to show up right here. And here you can either email her, you can add her to a group, you can undo and go back to directory, and multiple things you can do with it once you have it here in front of you. Another way of finding people is through your email. So if you go to email, and then if you go to your mail right here, and then you want to email someone, so I'm going to compose a new email. While I'm there composing a new email, I can click on to right here. It opens up all the emails that I have already, or email addresses, and then I will type in Barry, and then that person will pop up in here, and you select them, and then you are ready to send her an email by clicking done, and it will show up right here. And that's one way of also finding certain individuals that you want to send an email to. So to recap, you go to Mail, Contacts, and then you create a new group by clicking New Group, and I'm going to say a new group is going to be called PLC English. Click OK, and then you have another group right here. And once you have that group, you click on it, and now you can add people to it, such as Latour. And once you have that person up, you go in here and say, I want to be my English PLC. And that person now is going to be in your PLC group. And then it shows up right here as well. This is how you create contacts, you use contacts, and you also set up groups.